Well, there's a fear factor in calling a lawyer. Clients have initially a worry, if I call a lawyer, they're going to send me a big bill. I can't afford to pay that. And I can't afford to come see a lawyer because I don't have the money, the credit card. I have to be careful. I'm living on a fixed income. I don't have the ability to have lawyers or retainer. We're not retainer attorneys. We are attorneys who help people based upon the recovery.
We operate on what's known as a contingency fee, and we receive a percentage of the overall money that we obtain through either settlement or verdict. And that percentage, very candidly, might turn out to be a little bit more than one might pay an hourly attorney. The difference being, of course, is that hourly attorney is paid regardless of whether you win or lose. In our instance, in our case, we are only paid in the event we win. In addition to that, with an hourly attorney, you often have to pay the costs in advance or as you go along on a weekly, monthly, or however the attorney decides to be paid those costs. In our case, of course, we advance the costs. Whatever monies it takes to prosecute your claim, we're willing to advance those monies and see that we are reimbursed those sums only if we win. If we lose, you don't owe us a fee, you don't owe us costs.
It's crazy that somebody that gets involved in a car accident wouldn't go to a lawyer who is willing to talk to them at no expense and is willing, if they take the case, to spend all the time necessary on that case without the person having to pay the lawyer as they go, with the fee being based upon the recovery at the end of the case.
And a contingency fee, let's not forget, is every person's key to the courtroom. Because oftentimes if we were to ask someone to put up that several $100,000 if we're pursuing a claim against a number of hospitals, doctors, or pharmaceutical companies, they don't have that kind of money to put up, nor do they have a substantial reserve to pay us hourly. But we're willing to risk that if we believe in your case, and if we accept your case, that means we believe in it, and we'll do what's necessary.